Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to install network file sharing system on Windows Server 2008 uh, so that we can transfer the file from Linux machine to Windows machine and Windows machine to Linux machine using a centralized data store named as an NFS or the network file sharing, okay, or the network file system. It is a type of hard disk or the remote hard disk. As you know that the hard disk is of the remote hard disk is of two type, either the SAN or the NAS, that is a network attached storage, or SAN is the storage area network. So we are going to do a practical based on the network file system. So I'm going to do this on my server PC, that is Windows Server 2008 R2. So the basic setting to install or to create a network file system on the server is before that configuration, follow the three basic steps, that is power of the firewall of the server machine. I will show you how to do this step by step. Then change the computer name to something simpler and manually assign the IP address to the machine. So this is the initial configuration task. It will open automatically after the powering on the server machine. And to change the computer name, you can either do this from here, or provide a computer name and domain name from. You can change the computer name from here. Change the computer name to something simpler, because we are going to create a domain in on this server machine, so the name should be simpler. Okay, then after that assign the IP address manually and power of the configure the firewall and power of the firewall. Then after that we are going to install file server. We are going to install a file server on this machine. For that you need to go to the server manager. Okay, the server manager is this is the icon of the server manager, and then click on the roles button, then click on add roles. Okay, because we are going to install a role on this machine. So here you can see the file server as a role here. Click on this and then next, then select the file server as services for network file system, that is the NFS. Here you can see that the services for network file system or the NFS enables you to give Unix client computer access to file on this server. Means this is the synchronization between the Linux machine and the Windows machine, that you can transfer the file from either Linux machine to Windows machine or from Windows machine to Linux machine. Okay, click next and install. Then after that we are going to install the Active Directory on this machine, Active Directory. So you have to go to roles again. Okay, then in the roles, wait a minute, meanwhile okay, click on close, then again go to roles and click on add roles, then click on this Active Directory domain services. Then to install that, it is asking that you are the .NET 3.5 is required, so add required features, then click on next, next, and install. Then I think after this it will going to ask for restart the machine, so you have to restart the machine after this. And then this server machine will going to act as a Active Directory domain services. Then over this machine you are going to install a DNS server, that is the domain name server. Since this is the virtual machine, it is the working is slow here in this machine. Okay, close this and again close this. Then in the Windows button type DC promo and enter. Means here we are going to create a initial means we are going to give a initial configuration to this DNS machine or the Active Directory machine, and we are going to create an active DNS server, domain name server. So create a new domain in a forest, click next. Then full qualified domain name, it can be this is the first machine in the tree or in the domain, so it can be anything like your email sorry, the web address, like your web address can be domain name .com. Click next, and it is checking whether in the network this name is already there or not. If it is not in the if this name is not in the network, then it will going to create this as a FQDN or the fully qualified domain name. Click next. Click next. Means here we are going to install a DNS server on this machine. Additional option for this domain control, means this is act as a domain controller. Yes, I want to continue. Next, give a recovery password 123456 123456. Next, sorry, ABCD 1234 ABCD 1234. Next, and check mark on this option, reboot on completion. And I'm going to pause this video and will resume just after the restart. Now again go to roles and scroll down, and here you can see the Active Directory domain Unix controller and identity management for Unix is not installed. To install this, add roles and service and click on this identity management for Unix, click next and install. And then go to dsa.msc. After installation of this completes, or shit yeah, okay, we have to restart this again, and I'm going to pause this video meanwhile. Now type dsa.msc. Now expand this tree and go to users and create a new group, and group name is Unix users. Click on OK. Now go to the properties of this group, go to Unix attributes and give a group ID as 10,000. Okay, then click on apply and OK. Then again go to properties and in the member of add a member administrator and click on OK, apply, OK. Now go to the administrator user, click on right click and properties, then the Unix attributes, in the NIS domains select this domain and user ID is 10,000 and the primary group ID is Unix user, apply, OK. Then close this, then go to all programs, administrative tools, then the services for network file system, right click on this and properties, select this and Active Directory domain control as domain.com, click on apply and OK and close this. Now we are going to create a folder named as NFS. Create a new folder named as NFS. Now we are going to create this NFS folder as a network file sharing, means we are going to give a priority of network file sharing. Go to this NFS sharing, manage NFS sharing and click on this, share this folder and allow NFS access, give the permission to read and write and allow root access. Click on OK, apply, OK and close. And as you are going to refresh this, then this folder appears to be of green color. Okay, this is the NFS folder. This is how we create a network file system, and in this system, what is the network path of this system? To check the network path, go to the NFS sharing, and this is the network path. Means if you connect this remote folder from Linux machine, then this is the network path. Means instead of this name, you can even give the IP address of this machine, and the folder name is NFS, and inside this folder whatever is the data you can access from remote. This is how we can create this NFS file system. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'm Akshay Poddar.